Welcome back to Introduction to Microeconomics class with me, Ms. Fera Widyanata, lecturer of Economic Faculty, Sriwijaya University. In the previous video learning, we have studied demand theory. Now, I would like to give you some evaluations in the form of essay assignments. Let's go! Question 1. Make up an example of a monthly demand schedule for any food you like and the graph the implied demand curve. Question 2. Give an example of something or variable that will shift this demand curve and briefly explain your reason. Question 3. Would a change in the price of the food shift this demand curve to the left or right? Please write your answer in MS Word form and submit it to eLearning Unsri. And please pay attention to the deadline submission. If you have some questions related to the demand theory, please kindly contact me through WhatsApp or email. Thank you for your attention. See you again in another learning video. Bye!